Welcome back to my channel mga katutubo. Ngayon ay mag-unbox tayo ng latest flagship phone from Samsung, ang Note 20 Ultra 5G. Nakuha ko ito through Globe Telecom by recontracting last August 6 at dumating siya August 19. Bale, may freebie siya, dalawang items kung nag-pre-order ka before 5 a.m. of August 6. Ang makukuha mo yung UV sterilizer and Samsung air purifier. But after that, isa na lang yung freebie, which is yung Samsung air purifier, 34 square meter. And hanggang August 20 na lang yung freebie. Kasama din sa delivery ng phone yung UV sterilizer. Pero yung air purifier naman, you need to register sa Samsung website. Then ipapadeliver din nila sa house nyo at ang binigay sa akin na expected delivery date is 4 business days after registration. So, ito yung UV sterilizer. Ang ina-expect ko ay maliit lang pero malaki pala yung UV sterilizer. And napapanahon din dahil sa current situation natin. And 2-in-1 siya kasi wireless charger din. The color is white, tapos may UV light sa magkabilang side, and may kasamang cable for wireless charging. Pwede mong ilagay yung cellphone, mga susi, earphones, and kung ano-ano pang pwedeng magkasya sa sterilizer. Ilalagay ko din dito yung dimensions. 10 minutes yung sterilization niya, tapos automatic mag-shut off. Pero tuloy pa din yung wireless charging until tanggalin mo yung charger. And ngayon, bubuksan na natin yung box kung saan nakalagay yung Note 20 Ultra 5G. So, Mystic Black yung color ng phone na napili ko. Yung isang kulay is Mystic Bronze and merong Mystic White sa ibang regions. So, naka-bubble wrap yung box ng phone. Kumuha din ako ng bagong SIM pero same phone number. And for our safety, disinfect naman natin yung bawat box or layers ng packaging. So, ito na yung phone and kasama niya sa box are yung paperworks like warranty card, tapos yung data cable na color black, yung travel adapter, earphones na USB Type-C, and yung ejection pin para ma-open mo yung and makuha mo yung SIM tray and for you to be able to put in the SIM. Pero wala siyang kasamang case. So, dito sa Philippines, ang base storage is 256 gigabytes. And yung RAM niya is 12 gigabytes for 5G variant and 8 gigabytes naman for LTE variant. So, yung mga prices or suggested retail price for LTE variant ng Note 20, it is priced at 53,990. Yung 5G variant ng Note 20 is 56,990. Yung LTE variant ng Note 20 Ultra is 67,990. And yung 5G variant ng Note 20 Ultra is 72,990. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, mga katutubo. And we will do a full review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G on our next video. Thank you.